Hello guys, welcome back VK Coders. As we discussed regarding React Basic, so today we will carry on with the same. So today we will know about what is huge effect, how exactly works, and wherever we need to use huge effect. So what is huge effect? Huge effect whenever we are rendering data, whenever we want to render whenever we want to take a data at render time, so that time we will use huge effect. And how exactly huge effect is working? So huge effect have three life cycle: mounting, updating, and unmounting. What's mean mounting? Like whenever we are putting data inside dependency array, so that time it is the mounting. Updating mean whenever that variable which variable we have put it inside dependency array, so it will be changed, so that time it will be updating. And unmounting mean whenever we are lost data from there, so that time it's a unmounting. So first one, we will import here huge effect. So there is one dependency array. Based on dependency array, it will be working. Like whenever I am putting empty array, so that time it will be work only one time whenever that component will be rendered. Or whenever I am putting some variables like anything like count, so that time whenever that value will be changed, like count will be changed, so that at that time this huge effect also working. So both condition it will be working whenever render data, so that time huge effect also working. And whenever you are changing data inside like count, so again it will be working. So right now I will try to do. Okay, like I just want to know about you how exactly work this. Hello world. Okay, so my website already run, like my app already run. So now you can see here, maybe, yeah, you can see here hello world inside console. So if I want to put data inside this, so that time also we can able to put here like a print. I can say a print data. Initial value will be empty, and whenever render this component, so at that time I will put uh, anything inside print data. So how we can able to do? Just put it here. Okay. So set count. This is a function. So I will call here, and I want to take previous value because I don't want to change this count value. So that's the reason I will carry on with the same. So here is count 1, like previous value, then count. Which count? This. Okay, sorry, I want to change this, not count here, and I want to change this as hello world. Hello world, and this is a function, so I want to call by this function. Okay, if I will print this, inside our HTML, so that time you can able to see this will be come inside this HTML tag. h3 equal to count. Option method mean whenever data is here, that time it will be come inside this, otherwise it will be not come after this value, count. Okay, so here I'm putting is this one. Okay, now maybe you can able to see here hello world. Okay, this is a hello world. Why it is working? Like, and whenever I'm changing something, like if I want to put something here with use of template literal, how exactly work is, you can see here. So I want to put here which value? Stage not sorry, count dot count one. Okay, so now you can able to see here something like first one is 1 0 because initial value is 0, and whenever I'm changing something count whenever I'm changing something, so that time it will be changed or this will be not changed. Why? Because it's work from the huge effect, and huge effect are based on huge effect depend on dependency array. So that's the reason it is not changing. So what I need to do here, I need to put here inside dependency array count, because whenever count changes, so at that time I need to call this function like this state. So whenever I'm changing something, so again it will be called. So like if a count value is 1, so it will be also coming inside this count 1. Okay, so if I will refresh this, and right now you can able to see something. What happened? Okay, sorry. Count dot count 1. Okay, now both value is 0, this value is and this value both are 0. Okay, I will explain what I'm doing here. Like previous, print data and hello world with count mean whatever value I will change here, like use by button, I will change that value. So at that time I will call this, and every time it will be changed. Like first one is 0, then 1, then 2, both will be changed. Okay, like increase 1. Now you can see here also 1. Okay, so this is thing what I need to do here, and how exactly work huge effect. Okay, so if I will not call, okay, if I will not use this, so at that time you can see here it will be work only whatever initial value, and whenever I'm changing this value like count value, it will be not changed because it's depend on huge effect dependency array. So I didn't put it there, so that's the reason it will be not working here. So increase, you can see it is not working. Why? Because I am not putting here inside dependency array. So this will be work inside whenever I'm using API. So that time whenever I'm changing page number, so at that time we need to use this. So too many time we need to use this kind of things. Okay, now you can see here whenever I'm changing, now initial value is 13 and increase, now you can see it is 14. So this is a huge effect. Okay, and I will create a one component for I don't want to put everything inside the like a main component. So that's the reason I will create one component, and inside this I will create like pages. You can see as a pages. Okay, and inside pages I will create one component as practice.js. One thing you need to install here, from here you just need to go and install from ES6 and ES5, both you need to install here, ES6 and ES7. Yeah, both things you need to install here inside your VS Code. So at that time you can able to do this shortcut method RAFC, enter, then automatically this function will be created. Okay. How we can able to import this? So first one, like wherever you want to put this, so just need to put inside. I want to put that component inside top of the root component, like main component. So practice now already imported here. Okay, so you can see here above this practice. So whatever I will change it inside practice, it will be so inside the main component. So I will put all over things inside practice. Okay. So this is a one thing. If you are not created parent tag, so it will be showing error. So you need to create a parent div or parent tag, anything whatever you want. Like if I will put here as like tag parent tag, so you can see there is not any kind of uh, uh, error. Okay, so I just put everything inside the child component, and I will remove all over things from the parent div, like a parent component. Here I'm putting everything, and you can see here also there is a this. Okay, okay. Now you can see here my website again is working. Like whatever things I will created inside the main component, I just put it all over things inside the child component, but same functionality it is working here, you can see. Okay, everything I removed from here, not at anything, only child component like practice component I put it here. Okay. So this is a huge effect kind of use, how we can able to work with huge effect. And tomorrow we will discussion about use memo and use callback. And after this I will say work on the huge ref, how we can able to use huge ref. After this we will go with the API and create a one app and work on that. So I will start everything from basic to advanced. So if you feel I'm not able to understand very well, so you can directly comment me, and if you don't mind then subscribe me, so at that time you can able to make confidence from your side. Okay, thank you so much.